In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on AvaTrade. Now, the first thing you want to do once you open up their trading platform over here, you want to search for the symbol. So you can just go ahead and type in whatever. I'm going to do Bitcoin Euro over here. And when you click on it, it's going to show you a few things. So the first thing you can see over here is kind of your kind of quick buy list up here. And then here you can see your chart. I'm going to move this up a bit so you can see it better. There we go. This is now your chart. You can go ahead and even click on this button. It's going to open it up in a separate tab. Or you can just go ahead and, of course, do your analysis over here, set different indicators. You can draw on here, set the different timestamps, etc. And whenever you're ready to go ahead and start trading that specific symbol, you can go here to the right where you can create your order entry. So you can either buy or sell. Here you have the amount of either the instrument or the lots, and then you can see your values, your margin impacts, spread. You can click to more options too to actually see them. You can execute when price hits, which is basically a limit order. You can take profit, stop loss, etc. And whenever you're ready, you can just go ahead and click on either buy or sell over here. And just like that, you've successfully initiated a trade on AvaTrade. Okay, so that's pretty much how to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.